Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to create a histogram for a particular variable in Alteryx in order to understand the distribution of that particular variable, right? So for illustrative purpose I am using a dataset of property pricing. There are four variables present in this property: price, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and square feet area of that particular flat. Now, in order to create a histogram, go to Data Investigation tab. From here, pick histogram, drag it and drop it onto your canvas. Make sure it is linked to your input dataset. And it will open a configuration panel where it will ask you about the field to create a histogram. So let's say right now I'm choosing a price. Do you want to manually set the breaks like pins? Do you want a smooth density curve at the top of histogram? Yes, I do want. Just check it. Graph options. What is the size of this particular histogram? Let it be 3.5 inches and 3.5 in height as well. You can select the graphical resolution and so on. Once this is done, just hit run button. Again, there is one problem. For in order to show the chart, you need the browse tool, right? So go to your favorites or your in and out, drag it the browse tool and drop it onto your canvas and link it to the histogram tool, right? And then hit press run button. It will run your workflow and will produce the histogram chart which you can access through browse tool. It's 31% done. To run this particular workflow, and this is how a histogram looks like, right? So it has created a histogram and there is a density plot, this line, red line, right? So it looks like a normal curve, right? Almost a normal curve, not exactly, right? So you can again go back and choose histogram for other variables present in your dataset like number of beds, number of bathrooms, square feet, and so on. I hope you are able to understood. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.